Guys, as you can see, we already took off the bumper and come here, take a look. It's already rusted. The metal's too thin already, and you know us already. We're gonna be putting a lot of stuff with the bumpers, and this one's too far gone, and it's not safety for us to be putting something. So what we're gonna do is just gonna go ahead and buy a new one because this one's too far gone and it can't be restored.
So all rusty, all the way.
All rusted. Take a look at that. It's all rusted already.
It's way too thin. We can't be using this to be pulling stuff that we need to be pulling because you know it might break on us while we're pulling stuff. So this is not safe. So yeah, like he said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ourselves a new one and put it on the F-250.
Also, guys, right now they're gonna take the truck to get the engine overhaul. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it in the front, and so they could take it already, and we'll film the little process of them taking it. So just stay tuned and wait until they come here.
Alright guys, right now they're gonna take the truck to get the engine overhauled, but we want to take off the toolbox and the headache rack because you never know if it might get scratched while they're working on it or something. So we decided to decided to take it off, so that won't happen because we already have it ready and everything. So we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna pop all these off. Alright? Alright guys, so we already took out the toolbox and the header rack. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull it off to the front, so it'll be much easier for them to take it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start moving it forward. Alright guys, so they said that it's gonna take about a week or 2 weeks, and I hopefully when it comes back it's gonna be a working F-250. So let's just keep our hopes up. Alright guys, so we're really excited for it. They already hooked it up, he's ready to go. He only charged us $100, which is good. So I'm gonna go pay him right now.
Alright guys, and while he does that, I'm going to be talking about this truck right here. We have a Ram 1500. What we're going to be doing to it is we're going to be Raptoring the side steps. Right here, as you can tell, the pin is coming off. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the side steps for this gentleman and Raptoring them. So it'll be much nicer and look way better. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go and clean up the workshop and get ready to do this. Alright guys, so as we're taking the vehicle away, really excited, and thank you for your support. Like and subscribe.